What if everything you've been told about getting rich is wrong? Most people believe wealth comes from a high-paying job, good luck, or being born into the right family. But if that were true, every highly paid professional would be wealthy, and they're not. The reality is simple. Rich people don't just have more money. They think differently. Two people can earn the same income, have the same education, and live in the same city. Yet 10 years later, one has built wealth and financial freedom, while the other is still living paycheck to paycheck. So what's the difference? It starts with mindset. The first thing wealthy people do differently is think long-term. While most people focus on what feels good today, rich people focus on what creates value tomorrow. They understand that wealth is rarely built overnight. It's built through small decisions repeated consistently for years. The second difference is that they buy assets, not status. Many people spend money to look successful. Wealthy people spend money on things that make them more money. Instead of chasing appearances, they focus on ownership, investments, businesses, and opportunities that grow in value over time. Another powerful mindset is their ability to focus on opportunities. When most people see a problem, they stop. When wealthy people see a problem, they ask a different question. How can I turn this into an opportunity? Some of the biggest fortunes in history were created by solving problems that everyone else ignored. Rich people also understand the power of continuous learning. While many stop learning after school, successful people never stop improving. They read, study, learn new skills, and constantly adapt to a changing world. They know that knowledge often becomes income. Another key difference is how they approach risk. Most people avoid risk completely. Wealthy people take calculated risks. They research, prepare, and then act. They understand that staying comfortable can sometimes be more dangerous than taking a smart chance. Perhaps the biggest shift is how they value time. Average people often trade time for money. Wealthy people know that time is their most valuable asset because once it's gone, it never comes back. That's why they focus on high-impact activities and avoid wasting energy on things that don't move them forward. And finally, rich people make money work for them. Instead of relying on a single paycheck, they build systems, investments, and assets that continue generating income over time. Their goal isn't just to earn more money, it's to create freedom. When you put all these mindsets together, a pattern begins to emerge. Wealth isn't about being smarter than everyone else. It's about thinking differently from most people. Think long-term. Buy assets instead of status. Look for opportunities. Never stop learning. Take calculated risks, protect your time, and make money work for you. Because the habits that create wealth don't start when you're rich. They start long before that. And the mindset you choose today could completely change where you are 10 years from now.